If you have acne or really oily skin, twice a day is definitely what you want to do. Most of my patients are confused about how often should they wash their face. And truthfully, I think it's one of those myths that you need to wash your face twice a day. If you have normal skin, really once a day is enough, and mainly in the shower, just the water is good enough. You might want to use a little bit of soap on areas that tend to get a little greasy. If you have acne or really oily skin, twice a day is definitely what you want to do. Washing your skin too much actually gets rid of all the essential oils in your skin, and your skin cells are packaged in a way that they're layered, almost like a brick wall. You need that oil between those little bricks, those skin cells, to keep a nice healthy skin barrier. So don't over scrub your skin, it's just going to make it unhappy and make it more prone to get rashes. At night, if you wear makeup, definitely wash your face, and after you wash your face, you should always put on a really nice moisturizer.